Good morning from East Bali Immersion. The sunrise is amazing. Look at this. Right over the ocean. It is unbelievable. And then there's Sleeping Beauty. We have a big day today. We're going to East Bali Cashews factory and we actually get to see how they make the granola that I'm obsessed with. If you missed yesterday's video, I just want to give you a recap on why we're here and what we're doing. We're staying at their ecotourism lodge, actually huts, up here, and they invited us for 2 days just to take a tour of the factory to see how the cashew and the granolas are made and harvested. I am really excited to show you guys their story today and how the best granola in the world is made. Woot woot! Okay, our favorite drone's here. Who's ready to go? Look who has joined us. Good morning, sunshine. I want to show you guys our little eco hut here. This is where I slept. This is Anna's bed. We got fans.
This
plugs.
is my bed.
Anna's gonna show you how to sleep.
How it works.
And seriously, right outside our door is Mount Agung, an active volcano. I have never been more excited to eat breakfast in my life. Anna's still getting ready downstairs, but look what they just brought out. East Bali granola. And they got milk. I've never tried it with milk before. Anna has joined us this morning.
Ian didn't eat all the granola. He saved me some, so that was nice of him.
Wow, thank you.
What's your name, Ian?
Yasa.
Yasa. Okay, Yasa, thank you. This is Lauren. Lauren, you want to tell us what you do for East Bali Cashews?
I work for East Bali Cashews education project, which is called East Bali Immersion, which is where we're sat right now. It's a full service eco lodge 10 minutes away from the East Bali Cashews factory, and it's a place for education and cultural exchange, led by a team of amazing people from East Bali.
Komang.
Hi.
He'll be helping us today. Check out the factory. Look what we're driving to the factory. This is how you go in style. Komang, you gonna take care of us?
Yeah.
Of course.
Adventure is my life.
Yeah.
Let's
Look
go
at him
to
on there.
factory.
This is the best way to get anywhere. We got Komang. We got a dirt bike. Let's go. Here we go. Now we are at East Bali Cashews factory. Excited to learn.
As soon as we walked up those stairs, we smelled this like chocolatey cocoa. Oh.
It's vanilla too.
And it's coming from the kitchen, so we can smell it from out here.
We have started our tour with Manjana and we're on the roof right now of East Bali Cashews. There's Mount Agung.
East Bali Cashews factory started in 2012. Around 7,000 hectares of cashew farm in this area.
Wow.
But before, the farmer just sell the cashew to outside like Vietnam, like Surabaya.
Manjana's now gonna show us the start to finish process of East Bali Cashews being made. Look how many cashews there are. Are these all dried out?
Yeah.
This is amazing.
First process of cashew in this factory, it's called grading. There is 4 grades, like A, B, C, and D. A the biggest, and the D is the smallest.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
The first thing you're gonna do with the cashews is you're gonna grade them A to D, biggest to smallest, and then you boil the cashews so they soften so you can get that shell off. After you boil them, you let them cool off, and then cutting the shell off is step 3.
Yeah, I'm about to try my first cut of a cashew nut.
Put the cashews in the middle of a knife, and then we press it.
Wow.
Alright. Go to right. Yeah, got it. Try again.
Broke my first one. This is not good.
Maybe the second one.
Surprise.
Take 2.
Yeah. No, more press. Yeah. Got it.
Perfect.
This is good quality.
Good quality.
Yeah.
I did it. Look how fast this guy's going. I had some trouble, but this is how you do it.
So there's manual, people doing it by hands, and then there's machines that can do it. And that's why you need to grade the cashew. This is a grade A machine.
This machine does about 700 kilograms a day, and then they do about 25 to 30 kilograms a day. About 10 cashews are cut every second, right? Oh yeah. All right, Anna's gonna get the nut out of the shell.
So in the middle.
Yeah, like that one, the technique. Just
There we go.
So you don't need this layer, you still need to get this layer off, which we're gonna see next.
I am absolutely amazed at the hard work in this factory. Everything goes into that perfect granola.
85% of the people that work at East Bali Cashews are women. Before this, they were taking care of their children, and now they get to contribute to their household income, which is great.
it's called drying process. So we dry the fruit, dragon fruit.
It's so exciting. They're trying out new flavors. So the next flavor they're trying out is dragon fruit. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try that flavor. And here's the drying rack.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh dang.
Why cashew is like most expensive commodities in Indonesia? Because the process is really long. So we need like 3 days from the first process.
This is amazing. It's like the best thing ever.
I peeled the skin off. This is probably the healthiest thing, just a raw cashew.
It's really good too, right out
It's
of the
warm.
heat. I knew we were gonna get free samples. This is the best day ever. Woot woot!
I'm really starting to feel like I'm in Willy Wonka.
Look at Anna, she's so cute. This is the contamination process, so we don't contaminate anything.
This is where they peel the skin. You start in the middle and you go slowly so you don't chop your finger.
Yeah. Got it.
Is it a good one?
Yeah.
A good one.
So if it's a good
job.
one, it goes in the good pile. All the shells and stuff are fed to the chickens. So it's all just really sustainable living.
Yeah, this is all going to the chickens. They're eating good. Okay, and now we're in their warehouse where they keep all the cashews, the red rice, popcorn. Check this out. This is Willy Wonka, like Anna said. Oh my. Is this all
Want
cashews?
this.
Yeah, these are all cashews. You got red rice up there. Biggest bags of popcorn you've ever seen. We just went through the packaging process here. Unbelievable what they do here. They get 20,000 bags made per day. I probably eat half of that amount every day. I wish. But now we're having like a tasters of every single flavor they have. Look at this.
Okay, this is chili lime, which we never got the full cashews. These are amazing. You gotta try it.
Dried papaya.
This is coconut chips.
My favorite, chocolate. Oh, good. They have made our dreams come true. Now he's been putting it all into our own personal bag.
Thank you so much. Mine. This is where the fresh produce comes in.
Papaya.
And then this is dehydrated papaya.
Yeah, they're so good. Look at how many bananas there are. And coconuts. Oh my.
They bought this onion from Denpasar, which is about 3 hours south. All the bananas and coconuts they try to get from farmers around here. All in all though, they have a rule that if they can't get it in Indonesia, they don't get it at all.
We're headed to the on-site school here at East Bali Cashews. There's about 60 children here from ages 1 to 6. It doubles as a daycare for the employees here.
A bunch of samples, and we gotta put it in a bag to go so we could eat it later, and Ian ate most of it, and now I have none.
Best day ever!
This is what I deal with.
Right at the entrance here, there's the school for all the children. Hello! Hey, high five! Woo! Hey, get it! Woo! This has to be the cutest experience we've ever done. They're gonna sing for us.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Woo! Good job! Anna found her new home. Anna, you can teach here.
I could teach English.
Yeah, you could teach English. School's name here is called Anacardia School, and that is the scientific name of cashews. Seriously, probably my favorite part of the day is playing. I still play like a kid. We're playing tag. Who's it? Woo! Woo!
See? You're right there. Ah, say woot woot. No.
Oh gosh!
Ah.
Woo! Woo!
2, 3. Woo!
Let's be honest, I think Anna's staying here and I'll be in the factory eating all the food.
I can go. I think I'm stuck.
Nap time!
I'm jealous.
I am jealous. Dada! Dada!
What a fun experience with those kids. They're all so funny, have their own personalities. Now it's lunchtime and I got a little attached, so I'm guessing she's gonna stay here. We couldn't have asked for a better experience here at EAST BALI Cashews. It was so much fun today learning about how they make the product, everything about this great community and village.
If you are interested in getting an EAST BALI cashews, you can find them pretty much in any store in Bali, but also if you're from England, you can find them at Whole Foods, and if you're from America, you can find them on Amazon.
All right, we're headed back to camp. Look at that helmet, Anna. Look like a hockey player.
Here we go. Headed back to EAST BALI Immersion. The adventure never stops.
Adventure never stops. Always adventure in my life.
Woo woo!
Look at Anna chilling in the hammock. You got the sea out there, the ocean, and then you got Mount Agung. Look at this.
Boom.
We had such an amazing experience with EAST BALI Immersion and EAST BALI Cashews. We can't thank them enough. It's like a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity to stay at an eco lodge next to a volcano and get to experience the making of the best granola in the world. If you liked that video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Anna said, don't forget to subscribe. Yip, yip, woot, woot, riba, riba, woot, 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 woot.
You didn't get a picture. Oh god. Oh my god, eat it!
What?